Hello friends, today I am going to explain application of piezoresistive sensor. First one is inertial sensor, pressure sensor, tactile sensor and flow sensor. In this video I am going to explain inertial sensor. So here show in the diagram I am here consider a single crystal silicon piezoresistive accelerometer. So here in diagram if you see the top view, so look like that type of shape. If you see on side view, then looking that type. What is inertial sensor? Inertial sensor is a most important type of mechanical microsensor is which is used for measurement of linear acceleration and angular velocity. We can see here a structure which having a proof mass. You can show here and a bridge kind of thing. Here to here is beam shape. This bridge has a two support. One is here and another is here. At one end, cantilever end proof mass attached. Here to here is cantilever end and proof mass attached. You can show in the diagram. Depending upon vertical movement and motion, pressure on the proof mass. So it will deform. You can say here if applied a acceleration is moving vertical direction. So under applied acceleration, a proof mass experience an inertial force. Inertial force is F equal to m into A. In this region, here you can say, is a highly sensitive region. We make a piezo resistors. Here you can show here piezo resistors here, and I am also draw here. You can show in the diagram. In this region, then automatically you can make a piezo resistor in this region. Then automatically movement of proof mass top and bottom. I already told you his movement are vertical direction. Then here maximum resistance chain. Here you can show here tensile stress generate and some strain are also you can show. Then we measure resistance value. Here you can measure resistance value. If you want to convert resistance value into the voltage, here so here if you are going to find out momentum, then you can write force into displacement. The here is F, displacement is proof mass is nothing but suppose here to here is distance L, so you can write F into L plus here is piezo resistor. His distance from have a some mass of this, so his distance is L into 2. So I am writing here momentum is F into L plus L by 2. If I am find out in a strain form, you know that the formula of mt by 2 EI. Substitute here value of m, then I am write here. Finally you got this value. If I am write in form of resistance form, then you can write, you know that I'm already told you in the class कि the resistance change is linear proportional to the strain. Here is G is gauge factor. Then you can write del R by R equal to proportional to strain. So I am remove proportionality, put a constant value is gauge factor value. Then you can write here. So I am discuss about all process. Sorry,